Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group City-Link and today we are going to talk about City-Link Express. My name is Adam Haikal bin Ibrahim and my metric ID is CA23020 and these are the list of my group members. As you can see here, I am the project manager for this project. While my system analyst is Muhammad Adam Afiq bin Abdul Ghani with the metric ID CA230221. As for my programmer, is going to be Connie CA230522. While for my tester will be Hanis Raihan Binti Muhammad Hisham CA23069. And lastly, my system designer is Nurfatihah Najwa Binti Jailani, alias Muhammad Ali with a metric number CA23007. Question 1 has asked us to explain about our case study and the full URL for the website. As I mentioned earlier, the case study for our group is the City-Link Express website system. To begin with, City-Link Express company has been one of the top courier companies in Malaysia since the company's establishment in 1979. The company is best known for its package express delivery and has expanded its services in Malaysia and outer Southeast Asian countries. In 2021, the City-Link Express company built an online presence to appeal to users who prefer to make shipments whether to send parcels domestically or internationally. City-Link Express URL or the website link is an e-commerce portal for the City-Link Express company to support their businesses in satisfying their customers' requirement on shipping needs across various destinations. This developed web application allows customers to browse and purchase the shipment service online. The website ease of use lets customers freely explore the range of services offered by navigating through its user-friendly website interfaces. Customers or users of the City-Link Express website system can explore the website's features such as tracking shipping, details, calculating shipping rate and transit times, shipping with us, purchasing with eShop, etc. For instance, one of the most important domain function of the website is the ability for customers to follow the specifics of the status of their shipment, since each shipment is assigned a unique tracking number at the time of booking. Thus, users can easily access the details and status of their shipping items via the City-Link Express website system. The City-Link Express online system plays a vital role as an e-commerce platform, complementing in physical shop locations by providing clients a convenient way to access their services. This digital expansion has substantially increased the company's reach, allowing clients to easily shop for and purchase shipping services from the convenience of their own homes or while on the road. By incorporating innovative online function, the website allows customers to simply navigate through many alternatives, compare pricing, and select the best shipping services for their needs. It offers a quick and simple way to obtain fast delivery of things, whether for personal or business usage, hence improving the entire client experience. To conclude, the CityLink Express e-commerce website presence is contributes to an overall improvement in the CityLink Express company's customer experience. As you can see here, these are the main user interface for CityLink Express system. These are the tracking CityLink website if you want to track your parcel or your package or your deliveries.
Now, I will explain the objective of the portal. The CityLink Express portal is developed to optimize logistics and courier service for Malaysian consumers and businesses. The site provides several features designed to improve the effectiveness and user friendliness of the shipping process. Real-time shipment tracking let the customer keep track of their packages as they go through delivery, and it provides useful tools such as a calculator for calculating shipping rates to ensure the efficiency and cost effectiveness. Additionally, the interface make it easier for consumer to arrange delivery and pick up at their convenience. Next, I will explain the info service provided by City-Link Express. The City-Link Express company offers a wide range of logistical and shipping service to meet the need of both people and businesses. Their primary service is regular courier delivery, which handles shipment both domestically and internationally. There is motorbike courier service offers an instant solution for small parcel and document when it comes to urgent delivery within urban areas. Another famous service is Parcel Guard, which provide insurance protection for valuable items in transit, providing consumer with peace of mind. There is a business account service provided by Citylink Express Company, which include discount, book shipping, faster billing procedures, and improved logistical support that are beneficial for business. At the same time, the Citylink Express website system offers a variety of online tools such as volumetric weight calculators, rate calculators, and package tracking. They are also offer an online store where customer can purchase prepaid shipping document, parcels, and shipping materials. A customer care hotline, online contact form are just a few of the many possibilities for excellent customer support. The involvement of software engineering in developing the portals aim to provide good software attribute to the City-Link Express website system. For instance, good software attributes include maintainability, dependability, efficiency, and usability. In terms of maintainability, the City-Link Express website system must evolve to meet changing needs. The City-Link Express web application developed should allow for function expansion to accommodate the growing user demand. Dependability is an important factor. It means that the user can rely on a dependable system to operate accurately and consistently, free from the unexpected error. In terms of efficiency, efficient use of resources and quick reaction time are essential for both operational cost control and customer satisfaction. The CityLink Express website system should load quickly and react the user input right away. Lastly, usability refers to how simple and intuitive a website is for user to navigate.
For question 4, the functional requirement that I choose is the CityLink Express shall allow the user to track or keep in check their package accurately before arriving to its dedicated destination. Based on the case study, we can see that the main purpose of the CityLink Express system is to provide a delivery service for its customers. Therefore, the CityLink Express system shall be able to let the customers track their package. The CityLink Express system should provide the user with a unique tracking number and allow them to track their package by entering the number on their website. This will allow the user to always keep in check with their package no matter the distance. Other than that, users should be able to track the status and location of their packages in real time. Tracking information should include the current location, estimated delivery time, and any updates or delays in transit. This functional requirement ensure that the package tracking system is user-friendly, reliable, and capable of providing accurate and timely information to customers throughout the delivery process. As for the non-functional requirement, the CityLink Express package tracking system should accurately display the current location of parcels stored or in transit within its network. The accuracy of location information is crucial for customer trust and satisfaction. The CityLink Express system should provide precise location data, ensuring that customers have a clear understanding of where their parcels are at any given time. This accuracy minimizes confusion and enhances the reliability of the tracking system. In addition to accuracy, the system should also update the location information promptly. Customers expect real-time or near real-time updates on their parcel's location to make informed decisions about their delivery expectations. Delays in updating location data can lead to frustration and dissatisfaction among customers.
Now, I will explain about my functional requirement and non-functional requirement based on my case study. My functional requirement is the CityLink Express system should allow the user to purchase shipping materials and promotional items when the user enter the e-shop section. From the perspective of functional requirement, the system should make it simple for user to purchase promotional goods and delivery materials. This means that the order confirmation system, multiple product listing, and shopping cart management are required for the e-commerce capability to function. Now, I will explain my non-functional requirement. The interface of CityLink Express should be simple and easy to use, allowing the user to complete the purchase within 5 clicks. To ensure this feature, it requires careful consideration of non-functional criteria, including usability. Usability guarantees that the user interface is easy to use, and it should be organized in such a way that user errors are minimized. The objective is for user to finish their transaction in 5 clicks or less. It should have easy to navigate product catalog, has complete information about the product, a function to add the number of the item, and well-designed user interface.
Good day. I will be discussing one functional requirement and one related non-functional requirement from our case study of the City-LinkExpress website system. Let's dive into the details. The identified functional requirement is that the City-LinkExpress website system shall enable user to estimate the shipping rate when they attempt to use the shipping services. User need to provide details such as the origin, destination, parcel dimensions and weight, after which the system calculates and displays the estimated shipping rate. Here we have a visual example of the Get Your Rate page. User enter their shipment details into the provided input fields. The system then generates an estimated price table displaying the amount, subcharge, handling fee, service tax, and also subtotal on the same user interface. The related non-functional requirement is that the process response time for calculating the estimated shipping rate should not exceed 5 seconds. This quick response time enhances usability and ensures a positive user experience, preventing users from leaving the website due to the delays.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Hanis, so I will explain about functional and non-functional that I choose based on the case study. So for functional, the City-LinkExpress website system should allow the user to sign up or log in by providing their personal details such as password, username and email. So based on the case study, by providing the user identification, login or sign up mechanism, it helps to ensure only authenticated user can access certain area or do specific action on the City-LinkExpress website. For example, the purpose of registration is to create a new user account on the website, while for login is to access an existing account on the website. Besides that, signing up or login can provide valuable data of user to the company by tracking the user activities, their preference, and their interactions on the City-Link website system. Moreover, for non-functional requirements related to the City-LinkExpress website system is secure for the customer to use it from unauthorized access. All the user data has been encrypted using HTTPS, as the example that I have put on the slide, is to protect it from interception during the transmission. Increasing complexity during setting a strong password can make it harder for attackers to guess the password. Therefore, it is important to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters during creating a password.
The functional requirement I choose is live chat. So the City-Link Express system should have a live chat feature to provide users with a real-time communication channel for immediate support and assistance for customer service representation. So the agent interaction, which is customer service representative, should be readily available to respond to live chat requests during designated support hours. Then, the non-functional requirement I choose is the system operational should be available 24 hours a day with scheduled maintenance during periods of low usage, because the system is designed to be operational at all time. So this means that user can access the website and its service at any time, regardless of their geographical location or time zone. It is to ensure the system is always available for users to use it. And maintenance activities such as software update and security patches are necessary to keep the system running smoothly.
Next, I will explain about user interface design principle. What is user interface? User interface design is the process designer use to build interface in software or computerized devices that focus on looks and style. The most effective user interface can be determined by its usability. So there are many types of user interface, but we will focus on 4 types of user interface, which is user familiarity, consistency, user guidance, and also recoverability. Okay, so firstly is user familiarity. User familiarity is a standard design pattern that user have already seen or used on other website or any application. So it helps to reduce the learning curve where the user can easily interact with the new system. As we can see on the front page of City-LinkExpress, there is a standard navigation such as menu bar where it's normally available on all websites. The navigation bar, it helps the user to easily access the main section or any specific pages since it is linked to a key section. Therefore, the user can conveniently reach the specific pages or any section that they want. Besides that, icon such as social media makes the user recognize immediately where user can understand the action and option without needing to read the text. Secondly is consistency. Consistency ensure that elements behave in the same way throughout the entire website. So it's eliminate confusion among the user, and it's also help user to predict how things will work and feel more comfortable during navigate our website. So the consistency that we can find in City-LinkExpress website is on language, navigation bar and menu structure, same design template and also forum. So next slide will be the example of consistency on the City-LinkExpress website. Thirdly is user guidance. User guidance that we provide in our interface design is to assist customers who have difficulties while using our website. Error message, warning sign, and asterisk symbol, as well as structure instructional material are all example of user guidance. So for our team customer support, we also integrate a live chat in our service career website as an effective tool for user guidance. The reason why we choose live chat is because it allows customer to receive an immediate customer support. Therefore, it can proactively engage with website visitor and lead to higher conversion rates. So lastly is recoverability. Recoverability in user interface design is referred to the ability of a system to help user recover from error, mistakes, or unintended action. Error message should be informative, straightforward, and easy for the user to comprehend to be recoverable. So the example for error message is at sender and receiver details form that appear the value is required since the form is not completely filled by the user.
For question 6, based on my role, which is a project manager for my software development team, the one factor that influences that may harm my project is the company's size. It is because of several reasons. First and foremost, it is due to the limited skill set. Small teams may lack the breadth and depth of expertise needed to tackle diverse aspects of a project. For example, a project requiring expertise in multiple programming languages, databases, or frameworks may struggle if team members possess only a narrow range of skills. As a project manager, it would be hard for me to address any work to my team as my team does not have too many members. This might lead the City-Link Express system to take longer to be done as we currently do not have enough manpower. Other than that, in a small company size with fewer members available to distribute the workload, team members in a small team may find themselves stretched thin, juggling multiple tasks or roles simultaneously. This can lead to increased stress, decreased morale, and ultimately burnout. This will lead the morale of the team getting down as everyone is being forced to do extra work. As a project manager, this will have a very bad impact not only on me but also on my team. Lastly, the difficulty will be scaling up as projects grow in scope or complexity. Small teams may struggle to scale up effectively. Hiring and onboarding new team members can be challenging, especially if there's a shortage of skilled professionals available. This can cause the project cost to increase as the number of members will keep going up if new members are going to be hired.
There are many factors that may harm the project during the software development process. These factors include other different approaches and procedures used during the software lifecycle phase of designing, implementing, testing, and maintaining. During the project early phase, careful planning and design are crucial. On the other hand, if these procedures are not carried out correctly, the requirement could be lacking. Important steps in the software development process include the implementation and coding standard. Without clear coding standard, code quality may vary, making it challenging to update and expand the system. That is in the testing process. If the system is not well tested, it may be full of errors and have poor performance. This might cause serious disruption to business operation and harm the company reputation. Another crucial step in the software development process is maintenance. Ignoring maintainability during the system design can result in serious problem later. It is my responsibility as a system analyst to ensure that the software keeps up with the technological advancement.
The type of software being developed significantly impacts project management. According to Eon Somerville Software Engineering, consumer products require less formal documentation compared to safety critical systems. Safety critical systems are those where failure can cause significant harm, such as loss of life or property. For example, the City-Link Express website includes safety critical features like the user database and also the payment mechanism. In the case of City-Link Express, losing personal and financial data can lead to identity theft and unauthorized transaction. Hence, detailed documentation and justified project management decisions are essential. As a programmer, I am responsible for developing the City-Link Express website, ensuring it is free from safety critical issues through the documentation and project management. Besides, there are three main types of software: system, utility, and application software. City-Link Express is an application software customized for logistics, requiring careful consideration of its specific requirements and safety standards when constructing the code.
Inconsistent communication with software customer, it can lead to an extended timeline. For example, internal customer with informal communication will cause misunderstanding and misinterpretation if the developer is not properly documented and no regular meeting have been done. For external customer, even though external customer has a formal communication, but they also have risks if they have an excessive formality or over communication. With excessive formality, it can slow down the feedback and delay the testing cycle of the project, which make it more difficult to address the urgent issues. Same goes to government agency that have multiple layers of approval for the test plan. Therefore, it can affect the productivity of the system. To reduce the communication risk, we can have a regular update by scheduling a regular meeting and update specific progress for the testing team to keep them informed of any changes. As a result, a balanced communication between formal and informal communication will develop.
One factor that influences the project management that may harm my project development is the software size. So, usually larger software projects require more complex architecture. Designing a scalable and maintainable architecture for a large system is challenging and requires careful planning. Then, as the software grows, integrating different components and ensuring they work together seamlessly becomes more difficult. This can lead to issues during both development and deployment stage. Next, larger projects also require additional staff members, including tester, designer, and developers. Strong project management tools, efficient coordination, and open communication are essential for leading a larger team. Larger projects may require a greater variety of talents. It is essential to make sure the team has the required knowledge and that individuals are given assignment that appropriately utilize their ability. Lastly, larger software projects also needs ongoing maintenance to maintain seamlessly connectivity with other systems, upgrade functionality, and correct issues.
Based on the case study mentioned previously, the software engineering environment possibly applied is the testing environment. The primary goal of the testing environment is to ensure every function of the Citylink Express website works without any issue. For example, we need to test the functionality such as tracking shipping details and the shipping rate and transit time calculator. Here is a screenshot of our tracking shipment details page and the shipping rate and transit times calculator, which are the example of the key functionalities tested. The testing phase is handled by a dedicated team, which can either be our internal development staff or external specialists. This testing team is responsible for conducting through the functional tests and generating the detailed reports, which are crucial for future testing phase. We use various functional testing tools, with Selenium being one of the primary tools employed. Selenium helps us with browser automation and cross-browser testing, ensuring consistency across different platforms. It supports multiple languages, scalability, and parallel testing, reducing our overall testing time. Testing is conducted on dedicated servers depending on the type of testing. Alpha testing is performed at the developer side to catch early bugs, while beta testing is done at the user side to ensure the compatibility with their hardware. The generality of the testing environment involves testing under real-world conditions without extreme stress. We focus on the fundamental functionalities like tracking, the shipping rate calculator, and our eShop. This approach helps us identify and fix potential issues before they become a major problem.
In development testing, can be separated into three parts, where the parts are unit testing, component testing, system testing. So unit testing is individual program units or object classes are tested. It is focused on testing functionality. Next, component testing is several individual units are integrated to create composite components. It is focused on testing interfaces. And lastly, system testing is some or all components in a system are integrated and the system is testing. It is focused on testing component interaction. Then, release testing is where a separate testing team tests a complete version of the system before a release. Then alpha testing is performed in controlled environment such as lab or network. It is used to imitate actual application scenarios and identify any potential problems. And to make sure all the criteria are met. So it confirms the program function are as intended under various conditions.